YouTube, man, as y'all can see, we are back in the goddamn rain. It's raining like a bitch right now. But I got good tires, so it don't matter. Like, look at this shit. It's just crazy. Glad I wouldn't have got tires, man, because I would have been sliding in this shit. If you know, you know. I don't grab tires.
You got me.
So for me to grab some and then all this happened is perfect timing. Don't mind my Christmas tree set up. But I do got 295s on the back, so I ain't worried. Literally, this don't look clear. Like, from my view, it don't look clear at all. But from the camera, it's clearer than what I can see. Come on, man, get over. This shit piss me off, bro. So I gotta get behind. They be scared to drive. They don't got no tires. But me, I got tires. Do a little speeding. I ain't gonna lie, the only thing that just be fucking me up is these big ass puddles. Like, where the fuck big ass puddles be coming from? Hey, get them off me. That money. Get that money. Look at this street. That shit looks like glass. That's how my tires was looking. I just drove on the freeway the whole way here while it's raining like this. I'm proud of myself. I don't drive in rain because I don't usually have tires, but today I had tires, so today I had time, basically. Look at this nigga out here doing TikToks and shit. Dancing ass nigga. Look at this nigga. Look at this nigga. Hey, this nigga doing TikToks. I pull up, this nigga doing TikToks, bro.
You're done.
Yeah. I don't know who fucking mess is this. Let me park up, bro. This nigga is a character, y'all. Look at my door, how wet it is. Oh, I'm on the curb already. I ain't gonna lie, it looks like I'm about to hit this shit right there, but right here I ain't nowhere near close to this shit. Don't worry about it. That is not hateable, but alright, anyways. Turn the V off. Let me show y'all the V real quick. I'll show y'all the V. I had locked the camera. I'm talking about locked the camera. I had locked the phone. Don't know why. But yeah. Raining like a bitch. Let me show y'all the V-ski. Dirty diaper. Dirty diaper Dan. It's raining like a motherfucker, man. God damn. God damn. Oh damn. Oh. What's up, guys? What's up, guys? Oh. This nigga that put, he was just doing TikToks and shit. I didn't even know you was doing. You already know that. Go watch that reel. I'm dropping. Alright, y'all see a nigga just spawns or on feet, nigga. Alright, running with a V at, man. That bitch parked. I did not feel like driving that bitch. God dang. Nothing be going on. Bitch, they ain't come for your ass.
Yeah, bro, you got the Michael Jackson coat on. This just look fresh as fuck.
nigga need help. It was just raining like a motherfucker. Where they go? I hate to be running through this. Randomly spawn somewhere. Hold on, I might spawn somewhere else. Just spawn somewhere else. Oh, I should be doing that.
Walking around.
About to get our ass hit. It's about this close from running our ass off the road.
I got insurance.
Alright. Cool. Okay, cool. We're walking, she's like, we a Carter. Get fat. I'm trying to crash. To that hand, look at me. Alright, man, as y'all can see, we got that V back in the cut, man. As y'all can see, y'all see the new rap. And yeah, man, rap kind of look good, man. It look good. I ain't gonna say kind of look good, because it do look good. You know what I'm saying? Hold on, I might snap a picture of my thumbnail. You know what I'm saying? But yeah, man. I was looking for the beat. We got new tires on that John, so we can be able to quit in the rain all that shit. We not done. We got a whole bunch of stuff to do with this joint. You know what I'm saying? I really want to do this front glass, like that little blue tint. But I'm not sure yet. Honestly, not sure yet. I'm gonna see what it looks like when you just straight black it out. And then we gotta get this chrome. I say chrome.
There's no way out of this one.
God damn. Core support for the front. Yeah. And then we're gonna get the front splitter or whatever, but y'all get it, whatever I'm saying. But yeah, man. If it rain again, we're gonna get back on the road, I guess, or whatever. But I'm gonna go do something anyway, edit these other videos, and then put together this video, and then finish recording this video. It's a whole bunch of stuff in this process. Y'all can see, man. God, dang. I drift my shit in there right now. Now I'm lying. But yeah, man. Let me know what y'all think of the rap though, as well. Right now, I don't think I showed y'all in like good lighting, so y'all can see it look great. I think about to get a pizza. But yeah, man, let me know what y'all think of this new rap, man. Let me know if I changed the wheels. I don't know. I feel like I should do a whole bunch of other stuff. Yeah, man. Came out looking good though. We still need a goddamn spoiler. You got a spoiler, bro? You want to send me a spoiler, bro? Just send me a spoiler, bro. I'm not trying to order and wait, bro. I need it like, if I'm gonna give you the money, I want it when I get the money. Same time, nigga. Also, I need a fin. We actually gotta go to the Junkyard and see this Chrysler 300. It's like a 2016. It's dark blue. Something like that. Then they got a 5.7 in there, same color as this, not same color, it's a little lighter. But anyway, yeah, man, I'm gonna pick y'all up. In a minute. Beautiful. What's good, what's good? Not much. We're back in that thing. My pants falling down. I don't know what to say. Almost fell. Hose. Looking at it. My police sensor's going off. I don't know where they at though. They ain't making it outside in the gas station that fast. She didn't have to cover her fucking ears.